Right, so we are here with Simon in North Wales today, and Simon is going to tell us a bit about his amazing Land Rover. It started as a series, is that right?
It started as a series. Actually, I met the guy on Tenson Tread who knew the guy that built it. So it's a custom built chassis.
What series was it?
I'm sure the DVLA is a Series 3, 1972 Series 3.
Okay.
It's a custom chassis.
It's far from original, obviously.
It is. And it was built for racing.
Built for racing?
Yeah. So 3.2 engine, coilovers shocks.
So 3.2 Isuzu, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's from
from a Trooper, I think.
Oh, that's
the old Trooper engine, yeah.
They were solid motors.
They are, yeah.
No electronics.
No electronics, nothing at all.
That's the best.
Yeah.
So it's a Series 3 chassis, but it has been adapted to run coilovers.
Yeah.
That's the major change, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's a custom chassis actually.
Yeah.
So it's based on a series chassis, but if you look at the wheels, it's too long actually for a series. So they built the chassis, and then they built the roll cage on, and essentially it's a chassis with a roll cage, a suspension attached
on top of that,
and then all the fancy bits just drop on top of the working bits.
Right. Okay.
So this is all extra, really. You can lift it all up.
Yeah. And the bar work, so is that all custom job, or is that something off the shelf?
I think that's an off the shelf.
Off the shelf winch
bar.
Running a super winch.
I think it's 9,200 pounds.
90. Well, that should be. How much does the car actually weigh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing. So there's plenty of pull there. It'll pulls a 110. So it does, and it'll pull a 110 ambulance, or whatever the Land Rover ambulance out of mud.
We're loving the patina effect.
Mould.
The mould.
We call it mould.
Yeah, but we're going to call it too. And did you choose the colour, or did it come like that?
No, it came like that. It's actually about 4 or 5 different colours underneath.
Yeah.
So as it's losing its sand paint,
the colour really suits you though.
It does, doesn't it? It turn into its greens, reds and whites.
Yeah, and things have the character.
Yeah. Certainly you notice it. People notice it.
Yeah. I think it's the truck that suits the most actually, that I've seen so far. I'm sure many of the viewers will want to see this one because we've seen it on a lot of trips, but we haven't actually been able to talk about it yet. Inside it has a full roll cage, which is
full internal roll cage, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
bucket seats.
Recaro bucket seats.
Yeah.
So and we're at 4-point race harness, so you're strapped.
There's a three-seater in the front.
It's 3. It was 2, but we added a second. We had a third seat so that they could travel with us.
Is that out of the Defender?
It's a Defender seat, yeah.
Defender middle seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and the safety harnesses you strap to the cage.
Yeah.
So whenever we do anything a bit dodgy, pull the straps in, close the windows, and you're completely enclosed in metal.
The roll cage as well.
Yeah. So the rest of the car could fall off, but you're still safe inside. It's lovely.
Rock sliders.
Sliders, yeah, we've got sliders on
Rock
there.
sliders on there.
Sometimes get used.
Yeah, they have been. They've taken a few hits.
Mm-hmm.
Wheels and tyres. See you running the BFG all-terrains.
I think the KO2.
KO2. Yeah. They brought out another one now, haven't they?
Yeah. I like these though. These I had them on my other trucks.
Yeah.
And on this they work really well. So I'll be sorry when they're done.
I've seen that they work really well.
Yeah.
I haven't never seen this truck stand yet.
No, never.
Is
that a challenge?
Till today. No. See some diff protection.
Yeah, we've got diff guards. I think that's actually the only underneath protection we've got. Really.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's high enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Short wheelbase.
It does sit high. It's about 5 inch.
And some extended brake lines because this thing really flexes. It's like a mountain brake.
It is, yeah. I'm not sure how much travel we've got. We never really got it onto a flat ramp.
A lot. Yeah,
it's quite a lot of
travel.
Yeah.
And on the back, you're carrying extra water, fuel.
It's only got a tiny tank. It's got a 20-litre tank.
20 litre diesel tank.
Yeah. The tank.
That's about 100 miles.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. So the tank had to go because that's where the rear suspension is.
Yeah.
So the series tank had to go. So it's a small tank, essentially a jerry can mounted between the chassis rails at the back.
Yeah.
So I carry a second jerry can.
Okay.
So carry another 20 litres.
40 total.
Yeah.
There's some water on the back as well.
And I carry 20 of water.
Got any onboard electrics or extra?
No, I have a cigarette lighter. You probably saw it. Cigarette lighter with lots of wires hanging out of it.
That's what else do you need it?
We've got three phones to charge and
you need second batteries and inverters and all that.
No, it's very simple. Keep it simple.
Yeah, that's the best way. And a rag top so you can pull that down in the summer?
Yeah, it's really nice. The whole opens off the front windows and drop down.
Yeah.
So we the waist light level.
Oh, that's really good for some laning.
It is.
Better weather.
It is, but it's not very nice at 30 miles an hour with no windscreens. Quite unpleasant, really.
Yeah, not down the highway then.
It's not a YouTube video, really. It really hurts when those flies hit you in the face.
Like bullets. And what is this car for you?
It's my play car. It's my weekender.
So for laning.
Yeah. I do take it to work sometimes, but not
It's not the touring vehicle though, is it? Do you have a 110 for that?
We're doing a big tour. We do the 110.
110 and trailer and roof tents.
Because there's 4 of us usually when we do the trips, or 6 sometimes, and dogs. So
you're not all going to fit in that one, are you?
Yeah, so we have the 110 and the trailer.
I'm taking it you don't sleep in the tent when you're in this one. Stay in the car.
No.
That's the funniest thing. Sometimes you stand and you've got that pipe coming out of your head or one of your heads.
What I wanted to say is I assume you don't sleep in the car when you're on the road, so you have this amazing tent. What is this setup?
So this is called a Hellsport Larvae.
A Hellsport?
Hellsport, yeah, from Norway.
I don't know that one.
And I saw it on some YouTube videos from a guy called Tamarack Outdoors.
Yeah.
And they're not that far away from us. So I really fancied it because I got the stove.
Yeah.
I got the stove for my birthday, and then I saw him using it in his tent, and I thought it's a must.
It's amazing. We were sitting in there for a bit last night, and it was probably 15-20 degrees easily if you want it to be.
Yeah, really comfortable.
Which is lovely when it's cold and wet out like this.
We bring the cheap gas stove, but we do try to cook on the wood.
Yeah.
Really. And you've got time. It just takes a little longer. We're doing everything on wood stoves. It's the way forward.
And how many of you can you sleep in there?
Can't take 4. So there's 2 of us with beds and loads of room.
Yeah.
But you can squeeze 4 in, and I think if you slept on the floor, you can squeeze 6 in.
Yeah. That's fantastic.
A height of comfort.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a quick takedown though. So it's not for your, get up. It's got to be gone by 8:30. Leaning with them.
So it's more when you've got a couple of days.
Yeah. If you're relaxing, it's comfortable.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for showing us around your truck and your camping setup.
Mm-hmm.
It's been really good.
Thank you.
Let's go and do a few lanes or something.
Yeah. Sounds like a plan.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. What an amazing build this is. Gosh. Give us your thoughts about it. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about it, because I think it's pretty special. Anyway, give us a like, dislike, subscribe, unsubscribe. Do something. Thank you for sticking around. See you in the next one.